Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with my bare face because it's a skincare video today. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite skincare products from the month of November. I don't really have a lot of favorite makeup products, but I have a ton of favorite skincare products, so I thought why not do a video about it. So before we begin with the video, if you guys still haven't subscribed to my channel, then please make sure that you guys hit that red subscribe button. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. The first product is by Natural Vibes. It's a brand that I recently discovered. It's a beautiful skincare brand, and this is the Natural Vibes Glow Getter Gift Set, and this is how it looks like. It is the wedding slash holiday season, so it's the perfect gifting option. It consists of 3 products: a teeny tiny Nirvana flower oil. It also has a rose quartz face roller and a rose quartz gua sha. If you guys don't know, then these are beauty tools that you guys can use every single day to firm, to tighten your skin and also to improve your skin texture. A gua sha also helps with anti-aging, so it has some amazing properties. I'm going to show you guys how I use these products. This is how the set looks like from the inside. I absolutely love the packaging. You can literally gift this as it is. It is so eye-catching. So this is how the Nirvana flower oil looks like. It's an anti-aging facial oil. It's vegan, Ayurvedic, cruelty-free and all natural. It also has these tiny little rose petals. I've been using these products since the beginning of November, and in these past few weeks it has really moisturized my skin. I've literally seen an improvement in my skin texture, the firmness and everything. This is how the rose quartz face roller looks like. It is made with authentic rose quartz. It has this bigger side which you can use on your neck, on your cheeks and on your forehead, and this smaller side you can use on your lips and your under eyes, especially like all the places which are harder to reach. You can use this small side, so you can apply the facial oil as a base layer and then you can start massaging your face with this. It is meant to enhance your features and make your face look a little bit slimmer. Then the rose quartz gua sha is again made of authentic rose quartz, and you can actually like feel it. It feels authentic. I was so excited to use this because this is literally like the most popular skincare tool of 2021, and I was really excited to use it, and it is actually so calming on my skin. It helps to reduce that double chin. You can literally massage this on your face every single night or every single morning. It improves the blood circulation on your face and lymphatic drainage. They have a total of 6 Glow Getter gift sets on their website ranging from $14.99, so you guys can definitely check it out. This gift set is just perfect for gifting for any and every occasion, and this has definitely been like my top favorite of November. Moving on, I've been really loving very gentle products for my skin since it is the time of the year when my skin gets super dry and sensitive, so I'm not really using any harsh products. So the next favorite is by Simple Skincare. You guys know how much I love this brand. I love every single product by this brand, and I've been using the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. This is how it looks like. It is so gentle. If you have sensitive skin, if you have dry skin, you will really like this micellar water. It does not have any fragrance. It is super gentle, doesn't strip any oils from your face. It literally feels like water, but it helps to remove your makeup really easily. So this is what I've loved in the month of November, and I'm still gonna continue to use this. Then I have a few favorites by Pixi Beauty. I recently received a few products from them and I've been loving most of them. So my top favorite has to be this Pixi Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist. It has 7 flower oils, and this is how it looks like. This is again such a nice, hydrating, gentle product. It is not at all harsh on your skin. Again, if you have really dry skin, if you just want a nice mist for an everyday use, I love using this after my makeup as well, and it works so well on top of my makeup. And I've also replaced this product with like a regular daytime toner, and I'm absolutely loving it. You guys can already see how much I've used it. You just cannot stop spritzing this all over your face. So before using it, you just have to shake it because it has some oils on top and then there's the mist at the bottom. So make sure that you shake it well and then just spritz it all over your face, and it just leaves this really beautiful glow on your skin, and it is so hydrating. You can feel the oils on your skin. This has to be like my top favorite Pixi Beauty product. Next, I've been loving the Pixi On The Glow Multi-Use Moisture Stick, and this is how it looks like. I was not expecting to love this product so much. So this is like a solid moisturizer. This is how it looks like. You just have to roll the moisturizer out like this, and it's a solid moisturizer. You can literally just apply this on your skin like this, and you guys can already see the glow. It looks so glowy, and this is like that thick emollient moisturizer, literally like Vaseline on your skin. You will definitely not love this product if you have oily skin, or even if you have combination skin. I think this is only the kind of product that people with extremely dry skin will love. I've been loving this product during this time of the year. I don't think I love it as much during the summertime in Mumbai, but right now I've been loving this product so much. Then I've been obviously loving the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic, and this is how it looks like. It's that classic Pixi Beauty product that everyone loves. Literally everyone loves this, and I love this too. As you guys can see, it looks like I haven't used anything, but trust me, I have, and you need the tiniest amount of product. And I don't use this every single day because glycolic acid is actually an active ingredient which gently exfoliates your skin. It's like a chemical exfoliation. I use this once in every 2 days, only during the night time, and make sure that you use sunscreen the day after, and you will definitely see a huge difference in your skin. Right now when I touch my skin, it feels so smooth, like you can hardly feel any texture, and it was not like that in the beginning of the month. And ever since I started using this product, I've just been in love with my skin. My nose feels so clear, which is very rare because I have a lot of whiteheads usually, but right now I don't. So that's all that I've been loving from Pixi Beauty. Now let's move on to a body care product that I've been loving. It's by Dove, and it's their Body Love Supple Bounce Body Butter, and this is how it looks like. The name sounds so delicious, and the product is also so good and so affordable. This retails only for 230 rupees, and you get this giant tub, and I obviously got it at a discounted rate. This is how it looks like from inside. It has that very bouncy texture. For some reason, when I heard body butter, I was expecting it to be very thick, like a thick body butter, but it's not. It's actually like a nice light body lotion, and a little bit thicker than body lotion, but not as thick as a body butter. This is how the texture looks like. Instantly absorbs into your skin and definitely keeps it very moisturized. I have dry skin all over my body, and I'm loving that body butter. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. So if you guys are looking for a nice body butter or a body lotion for the colder months, then you should definitely try Dove out. Next, I have two favorites from the brand Sugandha, and if you guys don't know, Sugandha is a really amazing Indian skincare brand, and I've been loving most of their products. I literally love every single product that I've tried by them, and these are my two current favorites. I've been loving the Sugandha 5% niacinamide serum. This is a teeny tiny bottle of a niacinamide serum, and it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a niacinamide serum for a few blemishes that I have on my face, not too many, just a few of them. And I really wanted to include niacinamide in my skincare routine, and I think I found the perfect product. This one only has 5 ml of product, and I think it's the perfect quantity of serum that I needed. It has centella, panthenol and hyaluronic acid, which is just amazing for dry skin. So this one is like an oil based serum, which is just perfect for my dry skin. I love to use this in my daytime skincare routine because during the night time I love using my hyaluronic acid serum. So niacinamide is something that I've included in my daytime skincare routine, and I'm absolutely loving this product. Another favorite by Sugandha is their lip balm. It's their Calendula lip balm, and this is how it looks like. It is a very basic lip balm, but very moisturizing. It instantly reminded me of my Nivea original lip balm, which by the way I have in my collection, but I think this is a little bit more moisturizing than that also. So if you love these basic lip balms and if you have really chapped lips, then I think this is something that you should definitely try. I'm also a huge fan of lip masks, and currently my favorite lip mask is by Just Herbs. It's the herb enriched green apple lip mask, and this is how it looks like. It smells amazing. It literally smells like green apples, and it is so nourishing for your lips. It is that thick lip mask. It looks like I haven't used anything, but you just need the tiniest product for your lips, and it smells so delicious. You will literally feel like eating this up. I also have a lip scrub from this particular variant, but this lip mask is something that I've been using a lot these days. It is very moisturizing. It has some amazing ingredients. It has some amazing Ayurvedic ingredients. It doesn't taste really good. It smells amazing, but it does not have a good taste, so I don't really apply too much of it. I just use the tiniest amount of product on my lips, and it literally stays on my lips till the morning. So this is it for my November skincare favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!